The Washington, D.C. neighborhood of Petworth may not have the name recognition of some of its sister communities, but to the well-informed local, it is a hidden gem among the district's neighborhoods. And for those homebuyers seeking true value for their dollar, Petworth can provide solace from an aggressive housing market, offering buyers an opportunity to purchase in a part of the city that is being reborn into something special. Although it was not included as a part of L'Enfant's original plans for the city of Washington, Petworth has existed since the late 1800s. Originally consisting of 2 palatial estates on 400 acres in northwest D.C., the heavily wooded area now known as Petworth was so rustic that Abraham Lincoln was inspired to use it as a presidential retreat. Developers later realized its potential, purchasing the land in 1889 to create new residential spaces. Petworth was conceived as a marriage of 2 virtues, the proximity to downtown and the openness of the natural spaces. The developers used a row house architectural system coupled with wide avenues and traffic circles to increase its appeal. The neighborhood blossomed after the turn of the century, when the streetcar line running along Georgia Avenue from downtown to Silver Spring, Maryland, began making stops in the burgeoning Petworth area. Suddenly, a new commuter lifestyle was becoming possible. Petworth flourished until the mid-century, but like most district communities, the second half of the 20th century was cruel to this area, as economic hardship followed the riots of 1968. For more than 30 years, Petworth and its bordering communities suffered heavily, as local businesses fled the neighborhoods that had once made them successful. Today, revival has reached Petworth, and people are flocking to it once again, as it remains one of the last reasonably priced places to live in the district. As new retail and residential development has taken hold, Petworth has become irresistible to homebuyers eager to live in the city at a reasonable cost without sacrificing amenities. From new condominiums to completely renovated row houses, Petworth offers something for everyone. And with a metro stop along the green and yellow lines offering easy access to downtown, the convenience of Petworth's location is a commuter's dream. Today, just as in its beginning, one of Petworth's greatest amenities is its green open spaces, such as the urban parks located in Grant Circle and Sherman Circle. The Petworth Community Market and Historic Library building also provide citizens with unique destination spots. If you're looking for a place where your neighbors still sit on their front porches and say hello, where the allure of history is coupled with the energy of renewal, then welcome to Petworth, DC's hidden and affordable gem.